Kuya.
Illumina ang unang kabanata. Ngayong Sabado na ang samahang Yaya at Angelina. Huwag na.
I love her.
Paano na ang kanilang pinagsamahan?
Whatever, Yaya. You're Chacha. Loser.
Mula kalokohan hanggang kinigan, the best action, musical, drama, and comedy movie of 2009. Yaya and Angelina, The Spoiled Brat Movie. The Philippine TV premiere sa Kapuso Movie Festival. Ngayong linggo ng Maya, ang hindi manood. Pagmamasta, kahanga-hanga talaga ang kanilang ganda.
Sinong mag-aakala na ang magandang tanawin ito ay minsan ang nagdulot ng bangungo sa mga nakatira malapit rito.
Subalit pag sila'y nag-alporo na, pakinumilabutan ko ang hatid nila.
Panoorin kung gaano kalupit ang abunin ng kalikasan sa dala ng pagsabog ng bulkan.
Anatomy of a Disaster, hosted by Richard Gutierrez, August 15 na sa SRDO.
Yung Caltrate Plus, bilang pang strong bones.
Give to mommy. Give to mommy.
A study shows that calcium intake was
Give to
associated
mommy.
with a reduction of colon cancer risk.
For strong bones, plus
Give to mommy. Give.
Caltrate Plus. Right?
Mikay.
Grill. Located at the ground floor of Harrison Plaza Complex, Malate, Manila.
Give to mommy.
Blessed with natural beauty, nurtured with natural elements. Papaya. Smoothing.
Sabog na to sa cream, oh.
Green tea. Relaxing. Honey.
Mikay, Prince.
Soothing.
Ang bait naman ni Prince.
Milk.
Give to mommy, give. Okay na.
Preserve your natural
Thank you.
natural love and body work.
Wala na laman, be.
Showbiz at SM City, Manila.
Mikay. Dance, dance, sayaw. Sayaw, sayaw. Woo!
Wanabet Sports Cafe. Located at the
Sayaw,
ground
dali,
floor of
sayaw.
Harrison Plaza Complex.
I want nobody, nobody but you. I want nobody, nobody but you.
Habang di kaya ng bata.
Nobody, nobody but you.
Ubus kong lakas
I want nobody, nobody but you.
Pero alam ko, tunay na lakas na magpapatumba dito. Ang determinasyong nag-aapoy sa pusong nagpupursige.
Ako, Mikay.
Yan